Hi, this is Bill, and right now I'm going to explain to you about a speaking problem that I have seen and heard far too many times since I came to Korea. Now, it's a very easy phrase. The simple phrase, nice to meet you. Yeah, you probably know it. You've probably said it. But the problem is so many Korean people don't understand when to really use the phrase nice to meet you. Because when you meet somebody new, that means you told them your name, they told you their name. Many times I'm just walking down the street, I'm shopping or something, and then a Korean person says, "Hi, nice to meet you." And I think, I don't know your name. I didn't tell you my name. We didn't meet. How can it be nice? So if you look at the board right here, here I am, Bill. Hi, Korean person. Nice to meet you. There's no, hi, my name is Bill. My name is Han. Nice to meet you. There's not that. Bill says hi. Korean person says, nice to meet you. But we didn't meet each other. You don't know my name. I don't know your name. Don't be that guy. Okay? The proper way to do this now, here's a sample dialogue where you use the easy phrase, nice to meet you, properly. It goes like this. Bill, no, that's me. Bill says, hi. And then Korean person says, hello, my name is Han. Oh, my name is Bill. Maybe we shake hands? Nice to meet you. Yes, because you did meet me. And then if there's one more, I say, nice to meet you too, because you met me, I met you. You said your name, I said my name. If you didn't learn the new person's name and you didn't tell them yours, you didn't meet them. So it can't be nice to meet you. Okay? Remember that. Exchange names, then nice to meet you. Don't just, hi, nice to meet you, because you didn't meet me yet. I hope you can remember that, and I hope it helps you. See you next video.